Kia ora, I'm back again. So my apologies for that. The internet here, I totally forgot I was on the campground network and not on my own one, so it crapped out on me. So we talked about mindset and stacking a leap of faith. So go back and watch the first part if you haven't already seen it. The second part is business networking. Who do you need to know? Who do you need to help grow your business? What services do you need? What services do you want to let go and you need help with? Do you need a bookkeeper, an accountant, somebody who can help implement a follow-up system? What do you need? Let me know, and we can get you connected. I have a huge network of people. Also, too, this Saturday on May 16th, all day. I think it starts at 8 a.m. Pacific, I think, and goes to like 4 p.m. I'm not sure, but go to the link that's in the description, havetonetwork.com, and that will take you to the Networking Riches page where all the information is. It is a free online workshop. My dear friend and mentor, Casey Eberhardt, is running this workshop. I have been going to this workshop since he first did this in 2014. There's been less than 5 that I have missed during that time. Every time I go, I learn something new. And he does these multiple times a year, so you can imagine how much I'm learning each time. And he does change the material around a little bit. He's changed it because we are dealing with completely different times. How do you network on social media rather than how do you network in person? But he's got there, what do you do before a networking event, during a networking event, after a networking event? It is amazing information. It is yours free. Just click on the link, register, and we'll see you online on Saturday. So today's all about networking. Who do you need to be connected with? Put them in the comments below or private message me, and let's get some connections made for you. Your fun today is about building, and it's just that, building something with blocks, building with Lego, building with a pack of cards, building a blanket. When was the last time you built a blanket fort? Just build something today. Just go build something. It's interesting about how when you start playing with building blocks or Lego or something that you can construct stuff out of, how creative your mind can suddenly be. It helps release. It's a reset for the brain. It's a great thing when you're actually sitting there building something. It could be drawing a plan of a house you want to build or something. But build something today. That's your fun activity. Okay, I'm out of here. I got to get on my next call. Have a super fantastic sparkling day, and we will catch you this evening. Hey, konera. Oh, P.S. Don't forget to go back and watch part 1, which is all about stepping out in faith.